Hi, so today we're going to be talking about the Aviatrix Sandbox Starter tool, which is a tool that you can use to deploy your secure cloud network in minutes. It's available on the AWS Marketplace as an AMI. So if you follow the directions on this wiki, you will be able to easily deploy the instance yourself. And here they are. And once the tool is deployed, you can access it through your browser. And from there, this self-guided UI will give you more steps. And as you follow them, you will be able to have the cloud network deployed. And this cloud network will be deployed with a transit-based architecture, and it'll have 2 spoke VPCs in there. And of course, the test instance will be deployed automatically. So once you've kind of gotten the hang of deploying through the Aviatrix Sandbox Starter tool, you can also go through these use cases to get more experience. And once you're even more comfortable with this, you can also try deploying in Azure. In addition to all of this, if you deploy the Aviatrix CoPilot alongside it, you will be able to get extreme visibility and threat and intrusion detection, as well as protection for your platform. So that's also really cool. So yeah, feel free to go through this wiki and let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and good luck.